an effort to visualize the polarization in Congress, we created a network map of the Senate. An edge was drawn between senators who had voted the same on a certain number of issues. The red and blue dots represent Republicans and Democrats respectively. Here we see the network where only 50 shared votes was required to make an edge. The following graphics show the network with a cutoff of 75, 100, and then finally 150. As this final figure shows, there are very few senators that routinely vote across party lines.
Given this partisanship, we thought it would be interesting to see if the House is more productive when one party has significant majority. However, as seen in this graphic, there seems to be no correlation in the number of bills passed and the party composition of the House representatives. This chart shows the directional deviation in the House by year. The blue bars going to the left show a Democratic House and the red bars going to the right show a Republican House. Part of the randomness of the previous graphic could stem from not accounting for what party was in office as the president and what party controlled the House in a given year, which are significant factors in Congress's overall ability to pass bills.
The second part of our analysis is focused on the distribution of astrological signs for members of Congress, specifically for Democrats and Republicans. Using Python, we were able to assign an astrological sign value for each member based on when they were born, and then we sorted the results into the two groups of Democrats and Republicans. We then used Stata to test whether each party was over or underrepresented by the signs.
We made 95% confidence intervals of the number of members who were a certain sign for each party. For Republicans, the confidence interval was 406 to 441, and for Democrats, it was 418 to 450. Based on these intervals, we conclude that for Republicans, Aquarius and Pisces are overrepresented with 456 and 452 respectively. Scorpio and Taurus underrepresent amongst Republicans with 387 and 371 respectively.
On the other hand, Libra, Pisces, and Virgo overrepresent Democrats with 466, 467, and 460 respectively, and are underrepresented by Gemini with 378. However, we take these conclusions with a grain of salt, as we can't verify the legitimacy of astrological signs.